You're waiting for a refill. I want to do a super slow-mo of it.
You like it?
What?
Your outfit.
Sure. You like it?
Yeah, looks cute.
I don't really have a belt that matches this. I need to get a red belt, I guess.
Really?
Maroon belt.
Why?
The belt's supposed to match the shoes.
I think that looks good.
Think it looks okay?
No,
It looks okay, but it's not technically correct unless the belt matches the shoes. Well, we are going to Palo. I think we'll be here for sunset. Bougie. You're bougie. Lots and lots of water. Thank you.
Enjoy it.
Thank you.
I know.
So we have a garlic and basil flatbreads. We have the lavash parmesan, and we also have grazzini sticks. Okay. So on here we have our prosciutto, which is from Parma, aged for about 400 days. In the center we have our Parmigiano Reggiano, which is aged for about 2 years, so it's got a really nice mature flavor. Over on the right, or your left, is our beef bresaola, so it's air dried for about 90 days. And then we've got marinated artichokes, we've got olives and sun-dried tomatoes, and also some mixed bell peppers, okay?
Wow.
Is there anything you wouldn't like on the plate?
Yeah.
Everything?
I know which one it is.
Well, you wouldn't like the olives, but I would.
Rosemary, or we have thyme. Is that one you'd like?
The chili oil spicy,
Yes.
is it? Either one of the other ones would be fine.
Either one
with
of
me.
the other ones?
Yeah.
No,
I like both rosemary and thyme.
one is enough, I think.
Go. And this is for you there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Lovely.
Who's gonna be my host, the gentleman today or my
She
lady?
will. She will taste it. Even though we've tasted it before.
Thank you. I buy it at home all the time. I wish I liked European wines. I just
I'm never taking you to France.
I'm sure they sell American wines.
You think so?
I think street matter of personal taste.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
That's why I drank wine since college. That's my drink. But I don't like European wine.
That's good. You just need to enjoy yourself. You're
Yeah.
right.
You
Yeah.
like South American?
No, not South
You don't like? You like New Zealand?
New Zealand. I like New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Sauvignon Blanc. Yep.
That's good one. Very
Yeah.
nice. I enjoy. We have here Cloudy Bay. We have Villa Maria. So here we
Yeah.
the region.
Good.
Marlborough.
Yeah.
Well, cheers. And
Thank you.
enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Cheers.
Yeah.
No, the sea scallops.
And the scallops. For you, Daniel?
The caprese, tomato mozzarella caprese.
Yep.
And I'm going to take your recommendation on the, I don't know how to pronounce it, the
Pappardelle?
pappardelle con aragosta.
Sure.
Pasta with lobster.
Amazing. Pasta with lobster.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Daniel. If I can get it. On the left is the garlic aioli, on the right is the marinara sauce.
Perfect. Thank you.
Like some black pepper.
Sure.
Yeah.
You want?
Sure, why
Yeah,
not?
we both do.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Been waiting for a refill. I wanted to do a super slow-mo of it.
Okay.
YouTube. Just the delivery.
Thank you.
Ooh.
Sauce coming up.
Okay, thank you.
Would you like it on top?
Sure. Smell it.
Yeah. What kind of sauce is it?
Oh, the truffle sauce.
Oh, that's right.
Black truffle sauce.
Yes, please. Thank
But we lost power all night.
you. I think we'll probably have done another transatlantic.
So pretty.
I'm gonna film this bit.
It is.
Oh, it's
I'm
filming.
recording it.
Okay. That's for you as well.
Thank you.
So what we do is we make a little hole. Like both sauces.
Well, yeah, I assume you have chocolate and vanilla. Oh, you mix them.
I am.
There we go.
Oh, look at that, how cute. Make sure Monsieur is bite size.
Thank God.
Right?
So you're gonna have like a very small time frame because I think these little sauces are really
They're going to start moving.
try to flat. What? Birthday, what do you do? And at Roma, we do a lot. We'll do
Yeah.
dessert, we'll do champagne toast for free on the house. Nona Blue, I say happy birthday. We used to do free dessert, but we don't do it.
Say, I say happy birthday.
Yeah, it was like, we don't do anything. Happy birthday. He's biting tacos.
Thank you. Have a good night. Yeah. Hi there. Hey, Mr. Hand.
What?
Or is it Mr. Hook?
Hook hand. I said my name.
First name Hook, last name Hand.
Last name, be quiet.